Good morning students, welcome to you all in standard 12th. This is the fourth part of physics, chapter number 2, electric potential and capacitor. Students, we are going to discuss the next topic, that is electric potential due to a group of charge. Okay, now just we are trying to understand with the help of the figure. Now see, you are able to see the figure. What is the figure? We have lots of charge. We have charge q1, q2, q3, q4, 6, 7 number of charge. Okay, and this is the point P. We want to calculate potential at point P. So because of this charge, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 number of charge. Okay, so we are just going to try. We are just going to solve or get the potential by the formula. Now see, from point P to charge q1, the distance is r1. From point P and the charge, the distance is r2. Similarly, for 3, 4, 5, the position vectors are given. Okay, so for first the potential. Okay, what is the formula for potential? If this is a positive charge and this is a point, the distance is r, what is the formula? V is equals to k q by r. Okay, so for first charge, what is the potential? This is k q by r. Okay, this is the first potential. Now for second, this is V is equals to k q by r. Similarly, third, fourth, and number of charges are given, so we are able to number of charge. Okay, now we know that students that it is a scalar quantity. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to find out the net potential at point P. So at point P we have no direction, so simply we have to add all of them, because we just able to calculate the magnitude. So magnitude can be calculated by simply adding all the potential V1, V2, V3, all can be calculated. Put down the value one by one and see, 1 upon 4, this is k q1 q2 r square, k q1 q2 r square. So we have to put till infinity. Okay, now see, k is common, so I am taking k is common and charge is from 1 to infinity. This all are summation. Simply how can we write? We can write summation of what? K q by r, k q by r. On charge is starting from 1 to n, so we are taking from 1 to n and naming as I. Okay, I know you are mathematics students, so you are able to understood this. So what is the intention? If numbers of charges are given, simply add all the potential. Okay, and quickly add them. So this is now students, what is our intention? We just see one example and you are able to understand. Suppose students, we have 3 charges. Okay, 1, 2, 3 charges. One is 1 coulomb, other one is 2 coulomb, next one is 3 coulomb. Okay, and we want to calculate the potential at point P. Okay, so at point P, now see, at this point P we have 3 potential because of first charge, because of second charge, because of third charge. So we have 3 potential, V1, V2, V3. What is the formula? K q by r, k q by r, k q by r. Okay, so now see, first of all, from point P to the first charge, what is the value? The value is k is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, what is the value of q? Is 3, and distance between from point P to this is 1 meter. So put it 1, solve it. 3 9s are 27, 10 to the power 9. Okay, this is our first potential. Now what we are going to do? Simply second one. Now see, from point, now k is 9 into 10 to the power 9 and second charge is 2 coulomb. Okay, and what is the distance between second charge and point P? C. Now see, distance, the distance is 1 and 1, 2, so this is 2, so 2 and 2, this is cancel. We have 9 into 10 to the power 9. This is potential number 2. Similarly, third one, 9 into 10 to the power 9, charge is 1 and distance is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is total distance between point and charge is 3. So similarly 3. Now 3 1s are 3 3s, so we get 3 into 10 to the power. And now what if we want to calculate the net potential at point P? Simply what we are going to do, the net potential at point P is V1 plus V2 plus V3. Simply put all this value here and you are able to get your answer. So simply this is nothing but called superposition of a potential. Okay, what is the meaning of superposition of potential? From any charge, 1 2 3 numbers of charges are given at any point. If you want to calculate potential, just calculate the potential one by one, put the distance, give it, and simply add them. So this is called superposition. What is the meaning of superposition? Superposition means addition, summation of all the potential because of all the charges at a same point. At a same point, number of charge, number of potential, simply put down and add all of them. That is called superposition of potential. And I hope you are able to understood this. Thank you very much.